Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design streetwear poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new poster size canvas. Fill the background with bold, urban inspired color like black, red and neon. Import a model image wearing streetwear fashion. Cut out the subject using the pen tool or quick selection tool. Place the model in the center with strong contrast. Add geometric shapes or textures behind the subject. Use half-tone patterns like glitch textures or spray paints brushes. Apply bold typography with sans serif or graffiti fonts. Experiment with distorted text or vertical layouts. Use blending modes like overlay and multiply for textures. Add neon colors or gradients for modern urban vibes.